Welcome to this 2-minute body scan for beginners. Take a comfortable seat on a chair or cushion. Taking a deep breath in now. And as you breathe out, allowing your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out now, feeling the weight of the body press down in the cushion or chair. Feeling the movement of the breath as it flows in and out of the body. Bringing your awareness to the top of your head and scalp, noticing any sensations here, noticing any tingling or itching. Whatever you notice is fine. Being aware now of your face and jaw, any tightness or tension. If you feel any tension, allow this to release with each breath out. Now being aware of your chest and upper and lower back areas. Feel them move with the flow of the breath in and out. And now bringing your awareness to your seat, pushing down against the cushion or pillow, and your upper and lower legs, being curious and open to any sensation you feel. And now as we come to the end of the practice, bringing your awareness to the whole of your body and bringing movement back into your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, opening your eyes.